Hi, Andrew here from Top White Traveller. We're retrofitting a REDARC 200 amp hour lithium battery and a REDARC 350 watt inverter to Wedgetail Camper. It's about the camper's about 5.5 years old now. It's got a 100 amp hour lithium battery in it. We've never had an inverter in it. It would be handy, so we've decided to put one in, and while we do that, we're upgrading to 200 amp hours. Righto, so this is the battery compartment where the 200 amp hour REDARC battery is. Still have to tidy up and clean up. It's very dirty and messy at the moment, but that's alright. And I still have to clamp the battery down, tidy up those cables. So that's the battery compartment, and then got the inverter mounted in here. Baskets, clothes baskets go in this area here, so it's nice and out of the way. There's the Manager 30 sitting there, so it all fits in quite neatly. Once again, excuse the mess, it's pretty messy and dirty and horrible at the moment. I haven't cleaned up. So I actually have a remote for this, remote on off switch, which I've left behind. Right now it's about 1500 kilometers away. So I want to install a remote just for safety's sake, and until then I'm not going to install a power point. I'm just going to run a cable from here around and into the back of this spot just here, which I'll show you inside. So yeah, so to get your bearings, there's the inverter, Manager 30. Going to run into the back of this panel and put a power point here in there. So the table swings up, so the power point will be well clear of that table. Here's another shot of the 200 amp hour lithium battery. It just fits in there nicely. What I'm going to do is, came with a bit of packing foam like this. I'm going to put it down the sides and down the end just as a bit of extra insurance. Should be bolted in solidly, of course, but it never hurts. And have a look at all those cables and tie them up, make sure they're not rubbing. The other thing I did underneath the battery is I put a piece of, I think it's 6 or 8 mil closed cell neoprene. You might also notice this is a 40 amp fuse for the new inverter. This is another 40 amp REDARC fuse. This is a solar, 2 solars coming in, and that one going off to the Manager 30. That was originally on one of these fellas, which I really don't like. They are circuit breakers, but they reset themselves, which to me is not a good idea. So right now, again, we're 1500 k's away from home, so everything's at home, but I will look at replacing these with fuses, taking this off and tidying this whole thing up. It's pretty messy. I don't like it at all, but it works at the moment. That will be okay for now. So there you go, that's what we've done. We'll do an article and we'll add a link to the description below, and we'll let you know how it all goes. Thanks.